Okay, so today I'm going to talk about channel direction, you can say. So in the last couple of classes, we are learning how multiple Go routines are multiple threads. This is the Go routine one, and this is the Go routine another Go routines. And now they want to talk to each other. So generally, they use the channel. And a channel look like a last we discussed channel look like a one queue. Okay, so that means this go routines are going to write data some. Okay, and might be this go routine go and read data from this channel. Generally, these are for writing and reading. It's good. And but whenever we creating this channel, and we can also uh, by default whenever we create any channel, channels are bidirectional. That means any Go routines, if that can access this channel, they can write data and they can read data. That means they can perform the both operations. So sometime whenever the particular channel share across the multiple Go routines and each Go routines are doing the read and write operation sometimes simultaneously, that time sometime we get some kind of error and some kind of problems. So avoid those situations, Go community decided that, hey, let's our channel and can we say, hey, this particular Go routine can just use this write data, or some Go routine only read this data. That means, so according to the directions, our channels, okay, can use by the Go routines, maybe in the three, maybe the one direction where they just can write data. One Go routine just can write data on the channel. Another Go routine can just read data from the channel. And third Go routine can possibly, by default, is the bidirectional. That means they can read data, they can write data. So generally preferable way, whenever you are going to launch the Go routine and you are passing this channel, sharing this channel to the Go routines, okay? So you can tell, hey Go routine, you can only write data in this channel. And maybe for this Go routine, you say, hey, this Go routines only read data from channel. Might be some situation and context where you want to know a particular Go routine can have do both operation read and write. So generally, we avoid to sharing any channel in the bidirectional. Okay, but the only one directional is it preferable, and that avoid sometime unnecessary kind of error and problems. Okay, so let's look at the example how we can share our channel to the particular Go routines. Hey Go routines, you can just use my channel as a read mode. That means you can only read data. And how we can share our particular channel to the different Go routines and tell, hey Go routine, you can only write data. Okay. So let's took the example. So might be, let's I create one channel. Okay, this is the channel. Now we can create a channel. And in last class we also discussed our channels are look like a queue, and this queue can have a size. Means maybe this can place only one message, or they can place at a time two messages, or they can place at a time three messages. That is known as a buffered channel. So somehow you can specify your buffer size, or you can omit. That means the by default your channel is the one message. If I not pass anything, that means my channel is created by default, and this channel hold only one message at a time. That means if someone write one message, one go routine, and another go routine try to write data, or same go routine try to another data, they are wait, they are blocked, because this message are written by the channel on channel 1 are not read or consumed by the any other go routines. So until any go routines come and read data, then it's free, and then new message can be written. This is the by default nature. But sometime in as per my our application requirement, we can create the buffer channel. Okay. So let's not talk about those, but we should aware. Okay. So let's say now we can create the channel. So instead of let's, I'm going to say, hey, go, I'm going to start go routine and maybe just read data, read channel. Okay, read data from channel, okay, might be one go routine, maybe another go routine, hey, write data to the channel. So there is bidirectional. Okay, yeah, we unidirectional. And let's write the function. So here, what's it? I am till now I am created one my channel, and this channel I am going to share with the two go routine one for read data and go routine another for write data. How sharing this channel to this two go routine? Just passing this channel object to the particular go routine functions. Okay. So let's write the function write data, function read. Okay, so notice by default till now we are sorry, we let's here pass the write data. Maybe you can write data, maybe here I can say message 45 I want to write. Okay, and here just receive a parameter as a integer data, and you can say I write whatever the data we have. Okay. So look like till now, notice if I format writing data and the channel and done. Similarly, maybe done. Okay, somehow. So what happened? Let's so till now there is a just say whole wait all go routine to finish. Okay, so somehow just you started two go routine. I don't want our main function should be closed. Then we have to just wait. Okay, until all the go routine are finished. This is a simple way. Scan and I'm just waiting until the these all are the we are not putting some end lines. Okay, so if you notice till now I have created right channel. So here I can write data and let's run it, and then I can say how we can restrict this function can only write data. As of now they're writing data, reading data, it's okay, no problem. Okay, so here notice I can write data, and even after data written I can read as well as, let's say, hey, value, okay, in even our write function can read data as well as, okay, can read data from channel. Okay, so in this scenario what happened? Let's run it. So till now these go routines are free to write data and even to read data. Notice they will write data and even to read data. So this is the restriction I want. No, this go routine only can write data. Maybe similarly here, write channel, you can say, hey, I can write data, and say, hey, read function can write data. So as of now, this is known as a bidirectional go routine. That means both go routines are able to write and read operation perform. Okay, our write operation perform and read operation perform, right? So how we can restrict? Oh, hey compiler, can you ensure that this cannot allow, because this is the write data go routines that can only write data, that cannot read data. So how to say? So you notice there are a basic syntax of the channel direction. So you know, whenever I create the channel, this is our channel. Okay, this is our channel, and on this channel, if I write this arrow, that means I am saying that this channel become a read only data. That means we can read data from the channel. Similarly, if we have a channel, and we can change the direction this here. That means this is your right direction. Means only we can write data here. Here we can only read data from the channel. So if this arrow you can place within while sharing here, that become a restriction. So if here I want to write data, so I can say, hey, this arrow. That means this become a write data. Notice here our compiler is very clear कि this is the send only channel. Means this channel is the only send only channel. So you can data send, but you cannot write data here. So this operation now are not allowed for you. Similarly here, this you want to just read, you can say, hey, this is my channel, that become only a read only channel. And notice here again compiler, we happily say, hey, this is the receive only channel. So you can say channel can be send only channel or receive only channel. So here say our channel is receive only. Okay, and here say our channel is write only or send only, you can say send only. So how to indicate? This arrow indicate that you are sharing the particular channel, but this go routines is only responsible to writing data or sending data, and this go routine is only responsible to reading data. This channel cannot write data because the input, the channel you are sharing, they say this channel you receive, it must be only read only. So you cannot write data here. So here this is not allowed to write. We cannot write these things. Okay. So in this way, if you run, you find now our applications are have multiple go routines, but each go routine have a specific of functions. Okay, what is the function? So now you can create one channel that, okay, channel I created, but we have a couple of go routine 1, go routine 2, go routine 3, go routine 4, any go routine you can start. And how this channel you are sharing with the multiple go routines, just passing this reference to different function, and any function become a go routines whenever you can just call, hey, with the go keyword, go, this is the function, this is become go routine. Now these channels are you sharing with these multiple go routines. Okay, and now while writing this function, you have option. You can say, hey, this is the read only, this is the send only. This is the send only. This is the send only. Might be these three can send, but these only one can read. Might be possible. Make two Go routines can read and two Go routine can write. Okay, so preference way, and maybe go good option, maybe instead of send only channel could be rename name send only channel, send only channel, and only routine. Okay, send only routine. And similarly, you can rename. This is the receive only routine. Okay, and maybe bidirectional routine. Well, routine. And maybe in bidirectional routine, just say, hey, function. Yeah. So this is a bidirectional routine. That means whenever you are defining any routine or function and you are not specify any kind of a arrow symbol here, maybe front or rear, any place, that means this channel become a bidirectional channel, and here in this channel, this go routine can write data to the channel and even read data from channel. Okay, but if you want our go routine would only support read only, you can just mention this symbol. If you want to go routine only the write data, just make this symbol. So this directional go routines make our program clear, and many times they are less error prone than your bidirectional go routines. Okay, so hope this informations are help us to decide whenever I am going to sharing any channel with a different go routines. We have a developer have a control. Developer can decide, hey, this go routine can access the particular channel, that would be the only read mode or only write mode, or can both. So depend upon our applications, depend upon our use cases, our Go compiler allow us to share channels with a different direction. Only direct, send only, write only, or bidirectional. Okay. So hope these informations are helpful to decide when you are sharing your channels across the Go routines, and that Go routines are the send unidirectional or bidirectional. Unidirectional can be to send only or write only. Okay, so please ensure, as per the general Go compiler community preferences way, you always use your channel as if possible with a unidirectional instead of your bidirectional. Don't use the bidirectional channel, just use maybe unidirectional, maybe read only or just write only. Don't use the bidirectional channel if it is feasible, because if we are going to use the unidirectional channel, many kind of a problem and kind of a logical problem, deadlock situation problem, we can avoid. Okay. So let's do practice. If any doubt question, surely we'll discuss. Thank you for watching.